We decided to hold a memorial seminar, given that it's 30 years since Chris Hani was killed. Chris Hani was an alumnus of this university, and we've had no seminars honoring his legacy. We thought it was important at this time, especially when there's a lot of problems in our country, when people are feeling demoralized, when our students are feeling a loss of purpose, to inspire people with the message of Hani and his life and legacy and his selfless dedication for our country. We feel there's a lot of corruption, and there's been assassination attempts here where people are just interested in money instead of the critical ideas that can change our society.
Well, I think the future generation of leaders in South Africa definitely needs to value being in organizations and understanding the value that you can push for change through building organizations. The organizations don't have to be political parties, they can be civics, but wherever you are, it's important to build organizations. The second, I think, value that we can draw from Chris Hani's legacy is also the idea of selflessness. That when you are involved in these organizations, you have to sacrifice some sort of privilege for the common good. And this is important because it teaches you the value of always thinking for community and not yourself. And understanding that as a youth leader, you have to be politically consistent. So what you said you believe in 2 days ago must not change in the next days based on being driven by either selfish interest or people changing your mind using unprincipled ways of viewing the world.
When the news broke to my ears, I was in Port Elizabeth in Motherwell, and I was with MK members, soldiers. There was a TV that was playing. And then when I look at this TV, I said, no, what is happening here? I thought it's a film that is gonna be playing when I saw my father lying there, blood all over. And then there's a lot that went in my mind. And after that, I knew my father is dead. All I know is the darkness in the home of Hani. The darkness, the serious darkness.
It's maybe very sad to say, but I don't think there is a scenario in which Chris Hani would be alive today, because so many people like Chris Hani have also been murdered or fired or smeared just because they were standing for doing the right thing. What made him Chris Hani was that he was a wholesome person with a core full of his own values and principles and agency. He had that wholesome core values personality that you can come and threaten or promise, and he will be busy with the things that he has set out for himself, and he was capable of doing those things. And I hope we're going to get back to a country where you are led by thousands of people like that.
Chris Hani was always consistent. What he said about organizational development in one era was the same throughout. Even when the organizations that he served and that he loved were in power, he reminded them that, remember, these are our values and we need to stick to them.